Hello guys, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to fix automatic repair could not repair and PC of Windows 7. So this is how we want to do. First, so we're going to short and we're going to advanced option and we're going to system restore. It show you some feel like this and then go on next. And after you need choose Windows update and click in this. So after it will show you the confirmation you already set point of stuff and click on finish, and once start to restore connector into do you want to continue, you need to click yes and if it is start to update, so you need to wait for a while and the Windows will